Let's talk about the role of emotional intelligence in leadership, which is increasingly recognized as pivotal in the realm of effective leadership. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage our own emotions as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. It is the bedrock of impactful leadership. Unlike technical skills or IQ, EQ encompasses self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These are not just soft skills, they are foundational to creating a thriving organizational culture and driving sustainable success. Consider the story of Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. When Nadella took the helm, Microsoft was facing significant internal and external challenges. Nadella's leadership style, characterized by deep empathy and a commitment to fostering a growth mindset, transformed the company's culture. He encouraged collaboration over competition, listening over dictating, and learning over knowing. This shift not only revitalized Microsoft's innovation pipeline but also significantly improved employee morale and engagement. In a rapidly evolving business landscape marked by disruption and change, leaders with high EQ are better equipped to navigate these complexities. They can build resilient teams, foster trust, and inspire loyalty. For instance, when challenges arise, a leader with high EQ doesn't just focus on the bottom line but also on the well-being of their team, understanding that a motivated and supported team is more likely to overcome obstacles and drive success. Furthermore, empathy, a core component of EQ, enables leaders to connect with their teams on a human level, making them more approachable and trustworthy. This connection is vital in times of change, where employees may feel uncertain or anxious. By demonstrating empathy, leaders can provide the reassurance and clarity needed to steer their teams through turbulent times.